Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DaVinci Resolve for film grain and texture reuse, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up DaVinci Resolve for film grain and texture reuse, start by opening the application. Begin by creating a new project or opening an existing one. Navigate to the media workspace to import your footage. Drag and drop your clips into the media pool. Next, navigate to the edit workspace. Select the clip you want to apply film grain to. Go to the FX library on the top left. Expand the OpenFX section. Search for film grain in the OpenFX library. Drag the film grain effect onto your selected clip in the timeline. Once applied, go to the Inspector panel. Here, you can adjust the grain settings to fit your project. Change parameters like grain size and strength to your liking. For more control, explore the advanced settings. Next, if you want to reuse the film grain effect, right-click on the clip. Select Create New Compound Clip. This will allow you to reuse the grain settings across multiple clips. Now, go back to the media workspace to import any textures you want to use. Drag your texture images into the media pool. Return to the Edit workspace and select the clip you want to apply textures to. Go back to the FX library. Find the layer effect under OpenFX. Drag the layer effect onto your clip. In the inspector, select your texture image as the layer source. Adjust the blending mode to achieve the desired effect. You can also modify the opacity and scale of the texture for customization. Once satisfied, you can copy these settings to other clips. Select the clip with the applied textures, right-click, and choose Copy. Then, select your target clip, right-click, and choose Paste Attributes. In the Attributes window, make sure to select the options related to the layer effect. Click Apply to transfer the settings. Continue this process until all necessary clips have the effect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.